Hey guys, it's Amy Jo. So I'm gonna give you a little behind the scenes footage. I am making scented candles today for Nat and Essie's craft channel. And I've got this little kit. It looks like it's gonna be a fun play set. So we'll see. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. So this is my recording space right here. And my other camera is right here. And I'm just gonna film here while I film here. And then I'll show you what it looks like from the other angle. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's take a look. Wow, there are so many tins. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tins. So we can make 8 different candles. And then we have 2 bags of natural soy wax. We have 2 little, they're called diamond color chips, and these will dye the soy if we want to make like a purple or a green candle. We have 2 different scents. We have lavender and green tea scent, wicks, the wick centering device. So this will hold the wick steady. This is what we'll use to melt the wax, and I'm not really sure what this is. Okay, the canvas thing, I took a look. It's just a bag to store everything, so that mystery is solved. But let's take a look at these. Look at these tins, all have the cutest little labels. So, do what you love, dream big, be bright, choose to shine, rise and sparkle, enjoy the little things, good vibes only. These are so cute. I don't know what this was. Did you guys see that? I was like, these are so cute. No idea why I did that. Little behind the scenes stuff. Obviously, I'm not going to give all the details in the video that I'm making, but this video is gonna take so long to make. And it's gonna be really messy because I'm gonna be melting those wax flakes. So I'm trying to decide, do I want to show that? Like, do I want to take everything down to my kitchen and show it? Or should I just walk away, say I'm gonna go melt the wax and come back? I'm not really sure what I'll end up doing, but here are the instructions. So I'm gonna read through these and then I'm gonna start making some candles. Okay, so I'm just still doing some behind the scenes stuff. So the first thing I'm supposed to do is wipe these out with a little paper towel, make sure there's no dust in them. So I'm doing that. So I'm picking these 3 candles to make: dream big, do what you love, and enjoy the little things. I'm doing that intentionally because I'm just thinking like, these are the ones that really spoke to me. So like dream big. I'm doing something brave right now, which is I'm not doing my job that I was doing as the teacher evaluator and teacher mentor anymore because, excuse me, because I am choosing instead to do what I love. Wow, the lighting is so bad with this other camera. I'm gonna switch. Hold on, because I want to talk to you guys about this. Okay, that is so much better. So let's have a little conversation about this. So I am doing something big. I've left my job, and it's because I want to make content on YouTube. I want to do what I love, and I'm taking a risk to do that. But I'm choosing to dream big. And then I also picked this one because I think it's important always to enjoy the little things, but I think especially with everything that's going on right now with the pandemic, this is more important than ever. For those of you that know me and have followed my content since the DCTC days, you know that I have twin sons, and they're actually leaving for college next week. I'm moving one of them up on Monday and one of them up on Thursday, and that is hard enough. I'm gonna be having an empty nest, which is scary to me and sad, but it's also really exciting. I'm so proud of them and I'm so happy for them. But I never anticipated that I'd be moving my kids away and to a university during a pandemic. So it's kind of scary as well. But anyway, back to the point, enjoying the little things. wow, there's nothing, there's nothing interesting that I can put in the frame to share this with you, but what I want to say is that I was listening to a podcast yesterday and it talked about the importance of just like really being intentional in finding things that bring you joy. So like, you know, whatever that is, approaching the world with wonder and awe, which is what so many young children do. And then as we get older, we kind of like lose that and we start focusing on things that feel more important, like paying the bills and stuff like that. So anyway, these are the 3 that I've picked, and now you know why. Okay, so I have added all of the soy wax chips to the melting tin and then, or melting pot, and then I just had some regular glue that I glued the wicks down into the tins with. So the next step is to take this down to the kitchen and melt the wax, and then bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay guys, so I'm down in my kitchen and I cleaned my stove so it looked really clean. And I'll show you. So I've got the water boiling, or I've got the water on to boil, and then I'm all set up right over there to pour the wax. So once this starts boiling, let me hop down here. This will start boiling and then we'll melt the wax, and then I will pour the wax into the 3 tins. And I've already got the, I can't remember what they're called, the things that hold the wick in place. So now we begin the long process of waiting for the water to boil. Zumi's here. Zumi's here. Ooh, she's crazy out of focus. There we go. Hey, Zumi. Hey, Zumi. Say hi to everybody. Okay, so little lens fog from the heat. I can't get these last little bits to melt. It looks like it's happening now. See these last lumps? They kind of look like potatoes. They won't melt. It's taking forever. Okay, the candles are done, and now I am shooting like a time lapse, which should turn out cool. Here's my behind the scenes mess. So, you know, this is where I was melting the wax. This is my toaster oven that I used as a tripod, well, as a table for my tripod. So now I'm gonna clean this up. Clean this up. Okay, all done. You guys, these turned out so cute and they smell great. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you soon. I'm gonna be doing some Play-Doh videos, so Check back. Bye.